Hey guys, it's Mr. Johnson, and in today's build, we'll be working with the crane. Before we get into the build of the crane, we are going to go over the parts of the crane, what makes it work, and the functionality of the block code that we're going to be building. This is kind of a large piece, so I'm going to have to break it in half and do it piece by piece. So here we go. Alright, so first we have our motor with a wheel connected to a larger wheel. So when this motor goes, it turns this wheel. That wheel has an axle connected through it to the other side of the crane with a wheel in it that has a string on it which pulls the pulley up and down. So the motor is connected into the battery right here, which is called a smart hub, and this is where the robot communicates with the iPad via Bluetooth. Alright, so we got the motor, we have the gear system here that goes from small to big, which means that it's going to be more powerful. Not as fast, but more powerful, which is what we want when we're building a crane, because we want something to be strong enough to pull up whatever material it is that we're transporting. Alright, so that's the first half of the robot. Let's get into the second half. So this is the second half of the robot, and as you can see, here's the base. And oops, this part is where the second half is able to rotate. Now you see as I spin this in here, that gear rotates. See it rotating? Yep. So that allows the other half of the crane to rotate. And basically that is this gear hook up to that gear, which is hooked up to this. So when this gear spins as well, and it makes the whole top of the crane move. So let's see how it looks together. There we go. All right, so now we're going to get into the programming of our robot and how to move the motor and how to lift something up and down. Okay guys, I'm going to show you a demonstration of how the crane works with its code. There we go. And that is the crane build. So if you would like to build the same thing, the link for step-by-step instructions are in the description. And hope you have a fun time. See you soon.